Objects of material control. First objective is purchase of essential material. Under material control, the quantity of material to be purchased is estimated before it is actually purchased. Thus, only the essential material is purchased. Second objective, purchase at right price. Material is purchased at the lowest rate. For this purpose, tenders are invited, comparative statement of rates is prepared, and purchases are made at most right and most favorable rates. Third objective of material control, balanced storage. One of the important objects of material control is balanced storage. By balanced storage, we mean having optimum quantity of material in the store. Storage of material in quantities more or less than the optimum quantity is not profitable for the business. Unbalanced storage of material require more space, more capital, which can be saved only by balanced storage. Fourth objective, control over theft, wastage and pilferage. Possible losses due to theft, wastage and pilferage can be prevented by material control. Procedure adopted for purchase, procurement, storage and issue of material is so designed that loss due to theft, wastage and pilferage is minimum. Fifth objective of material control, regular issue of material. Store department issues material to the various production departments. Production process may be interrupted if the material is not regularly issued. Material control promotes regular issue of material. Sixth objective, reduction in production cost. Material is the prime cost or prime factor of cost. In some productions, the share of material is up to 40% to 50% of the total cost. The cost of production can be reduced by material control. Seventh objective, optimum use of working capital. Earning of maximum profit by making optimum use of working capital is the one of the objective of material control. In short, the object of material control is to purchase the right material at right price, in right quantity, at right time, from right seller, through right path, and to store and use it in a right manner. So material control is concerned with the acquisition, storage handling and use of material so as to ensure the availability of material whenever needed, providing adequate provision for contingencies, driving maximum economy and minimizing wastage and losses. Hence, material control refers to a system which ensures the supply of required quantity and quality of material at the required time, and at the same time prevent unnecessary investment in material.